Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so y'all asked for the empty luxury apartment tour, and here it is. If the video is moving in slow motion, that's because it is in slow motion. I didn't realize how fast I recorded it. So this is the first like storage room or closet, small closet. When you enter, it's on the left hand side. Then I have an island here, and this is the kitchen area. The pantry space is really deep. The refrigerator is nice and spacey. As you can see, it's really good. I don't think I opened it in this video though. This is me showing you how it would look if you look towards the door. This is where the washer and dryer is. It's the slim kind. I've never had a kind like this, so I only did one load, which was for my mattress topper, but we gonna see how this work, y'all. I'm used to the two chunky washer and dryers, but I like that it saves space, so it's not bad. So now we're moving into the sink. It's very deep, as y'all can see. I love that. Like, mwah, chef's kiss, perfect. Kitchen is nice. You have a lot of cabinet space and drawer space. They have cute little decorative lights, and also the stove isn't electric. It has like literal fire coming out of it. Never had that before, so I like that. This is the living room area. It's carpet, and you also have a balcony. Well, I have a balcony. I didn't want to show too much because too much, but you have a storage closet outside. A lot of plugs everywhere. There's carpet in the bedroom as well. In every other area, like the kitchen and the bathroom, is wood, which was perfect. It was everything I needed, everything I wanted. The bedroom, the window was open, that's why I didn't go in, but it's very spacious to me. There's two doors for the entering the bathroom area, so you have one for the bathroom and then one for you when you're coming out of the living room. That's the toilet. No, that is not pee. Don't know why that water is that color. The sink in there is pretty deep. You have I have a garden tub. I don't know why I keep saying you. I like those lights. They're pretty nice. There's a garden tub, and the closet is inside the bathroom or like after the bathroom, whatever you want to think of it as. It's pretty nice. I love it. And the closet is pretty spacious. And this is where the, towels, soap, and all of that stuff you want to put in there is. That's the closet for that. So it's pretty good, y'all. It's very spacey. It's clean. It's perfect. Like, yeah. Unfortunately, I won't be disclosing where this is. If you know, you know, but I won't be disclosing it for safety, privacy, and security reasons. But yeah, I hope you enjoy my empty luxury apartment tour. Let me know in the comments any other videos you would want to see. If you want to see it furnished, let me know. I'm still working on it, but yeah, I can provide a video for y'all. But yeah, let me know if there's more things you want to see. Of course, it's already going to be furnished by the time that I do that. So yeah, thank you.